Everyone. So today I'm going to share you some things that will help you to convert typed number to height. So suppose if you would like to add a type option, if someone type 5'6", it will convert to the 5" 6 feet. Then you see it will work like this. If you would like to have like a um, 12 feet 3", you can do this. You can also do something like this. If you would like to have 24 feet 14", then you will have to add a extra 0. So it will work like this. So first 2 digit will be in feet and second 2 digit will be inch by default. The last 2 digit will be for inch and first 1 or 2 digit will be used for feet. So let's see how we can do this using the gravity forms. So at first, we would like to go to our form and add this field. So here we will add a text field, single line text field. We are not going to add the number field because number field has a predefined number option and it will not allow us to add the special characters. So to convert the type date to 5 feet 6", it will not allow to add inch or feet symbol. So that's why I would like to use the text field. And now you can change the field label. Let's change to the height. And then on the appearance, let's use custom CSS class. And this time we will use number to feet. This class, you can use any class here. It's totally up to you. Now click to save the form. And you will have to use a custom jQuery or JavaScript code. And for this, we can use the code on child theme JS file, but we don't have a child theme, and I know most of the people doesn't have the child theme high enough, but they don't want to use the custom coding. So this time you can use simple custom CSS and JavaScript. This will allow you to add CSS, JavaScript, and HTML code on your website without having a child theme. So it's already installed. You can search by the name and then install from the WordPress repository for free. So from here, we'll go to add custom JS code. And now let's find the code. Visit github.com/Faisal Ahmed. Then search for the repositories. And from here, search for the awesome WordPress code snippets. Now you will find some folders and we will have to go to the gravity forms and find the number. Okay, convert to height this JS file. Now click to copy. So it will copy all the raw data. Now go back to here, remove everything and just paste the code. You just copy it. So here it is. This is the ticket number I am used here because someone already asked on this ticket regarding this issue. So I have helped them on there. Now add a title. Number to fit. You can leave it blank. It's optional. And from the right side bar, you can have it like internal file. So all the jQuery file will be added as an internal. And if you would like to have external, then pick the first option. And we will have to use this as a footer. In the footer, because it's jQuery code and we will have to wait to load the main jQuery file before execute this code. Otherwise, this code will not work. So let's publish. Now go back to our website, reload the page, and you will see height field has been added there. Now type your data. It will auto convert. If you would like to cross check, you can just change the name to height new So you can confirm this is the new field I have added. Just give a reload. Yes. Now try something like that. 1000. So it will convert to 10 feet inch. So this is how you can convert the typed data into height value. You can modify these things. You have the code here. So it will convert your data as you want. You can also copy the code, go to any AI tool, and if you would like to have any modification, you can just ask the AI to modify the code for your requirements. I hope then you can make it work without asking help on different person or the forum. Thanks for watching the video and see you on the next time.